I'm going to show you how to use the paint tools in Pixie. So once you've opened Pixie, you'll see on your right hand side options, which we just used to format text, and then you'll see paint. So I'm going to click on the paint as of right now. You can see your different tools. If you've ever used KidPix or your students have ever used KidPix, similar tools and very similar to what that was. So basically, I'm not going to go and read each one because you can kind of see as you hover over it what it is, paint using pictures. So let's just click on that. Once you click on this, you got a couple options or um, tool options here. So you can do numbers, dice, animals. Click on animals and say you want to paint with bats. Click on bats, spray paint some bats on your page. So all I did was click and that came up and there's hundreds of different ones here. So if you, as you're looking around, just search a little bit and you'll see some, probably what you're looking for. You'll find what you need. Boats. So I'm just going to undo both of those and I'm going to go to a different one, which is your background. Your tool, this is like your paint fill background. So basically I can fill objects if I have like a shape, or I can fill my entire background here. So I just want to click on the color, black. Say I want snowflakes. I'll change that to blue. Click on the background, and notice it changes my whole background into that. If I click on the different one, I can refill it and change it again. A couple different options. Notice what happened there was it filled over top of one, so you got to be careful. You might have to do undo or simply just start over if you have to. So I'm just going to undo what I just did again. Um, Other things. You can use your paint using a solid brush, crayon, marker, dry brush. Again, once you're doing this, you can change your size, color, and then you can change. You can just simply right. So you can see the different tools, how they look as you're messing around with these different types of coloring tools. You can change. Um, Again, you can add symmetry. So if I add symmetry with any of these tools, notice what happens is if I click on one, it does the whole thing the other. I can also change my size by using this bar. Maybe I just want a real small one, put a color over top. So we add symmetry there. I'm going to add a new page because that's getting messy. Again, symmetry, change the different types of ways you can use that. So basically does the same thing on both sides. Other than that, you can kind of blend the colors together using the different tools. So as you're getting creative with this, allowing students at first to kind of test it out, you could just give them some time just to use the paint tools to see what they can come up with. And as you become more acquainted with it, then the novelty wears off, and then eventually you can just use the paint tools in your projects. So I highly recommend giving some time for them to just use the tools because otherwise they're going to be trying to use them when you want them to be doing something else. So again, if you have any questions, please ask. Thank you and good luck.